Today's video is sponsored by Noom. Thank you so much to Noom for sponsoring this video. Without these types of sponsorships, videos like today's content wouldn't be possible. Thanks, Noom. Whether you're trying to get healthier, get fit, or even have set a goal to run 5K, Noom is a consumer-led platform that's empowering people to take control of their health. When registering for Noom, I immediately felt like I wasn't alone, while it gave me stats of other women in my age category. The platform evaluated my behavior specifically to create a plan that would work for me. It left me feeling empowered and supported and gave me confidence knowing that I had a plan to help with my sleep and day-to-day energy levels. Calorie counting wasn't for me, and it's not really possible with my day-to-day. I can track food without it being too tedious or time-consuming. This helps to keep me on track. I also found the recipes really helpful because I usually fall out of my health goal because I get bored of eating the same and planning the same foods. We always say on our channel, we rise by lifting others, and that is exactly what Noom is all about. The coaches, goal specialists are trained in psychology, fitness, and nutrition and are there to cheer you on, in addition to peers on the platform and chats. Noom Nation cheers each other on, a wonderful sense of community while achieving your goals. I always enjoy the daily lessons and articles to learn more about health and weight management. As a family trying to become more eco-conscious, I really enjoyed the lesson, Unprocess Your Diet, and how Noom puts an emphasis on whole food, making your belly feel full and fueling your body with everything it needs to keep from crashing and gives you more energy that you know I for sure need keeping up with all of my DIY projects. Follow the link in the description to take your free Noom evaluation. It is quick and easy and it will help you to create your own custom plan. Thank you again so much to Noom for sponsoring this video.
We're out here scouring. Oh, little bird feet.
Bird feet. Bird brain.
Looking for sea glass. I know it's out here, but we're on this absolutely gorgeous beach.
Tide is out.
Tide is going out, right?
Yeah. It should be totally out in the next 20 minutes to half an hour. We looked up where the tide comes in and out what times for some of the beaches in our area because we were told that we have the best chance of finding sea glass when the tide is out, which obviously makes sense because then the sandy beach is visible to be able to find the actual glass. So problem is there's so many like reflective shiny surfaces on the sand, so it's actually pretty hard to find. So we just got here, so we're gonna look and see what we can find.
Okay.
And my little water baby. Felt like it's bad to look if you're looking for animals.
Yeah, in here. Oh, there's got to be sea glass out here. Everything is so sparkly. Come over here, bud.
Everything is so sparkly. Found some sea glass?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo!
I can't wait to wash them off. Look, I found a really nice pearly white one, and you can tell it's not a rock, it's sea glass for sure, because you can literally see through some certain parts of it, so you know for sure it's glass. And then just as they were running up, I found a green one.
Oh,
just 2 feet from where I found that.
Amazing.
Oh, they found another piece.
Oh, the hunt is on now. The hunt is on.
This one's a little bit sharper. It's a little less, it's more of like a piece of glass, but it's been washed around in the sea. It's just a little rougher than the other ones.
Yeah. What'd you find?
Definitely most common.
Yeah, the white one? Oh, nice. Score, buddy. That's so good. Day, how you finding? Ready?
Yeah, we'll figure it out as we go.
Go get
But
some.
when I saw it listed, I thought if I
We're
don't
gonna put 'em
get
away.
it and it's so close to home, it made perfect sense for what I want to do with it.
And if you have family coming
Oh,
and everything, have their own thing.
Yeah, I can show.
Yeah.
Oh, that shell's really nice. Oh, we gotta take him back to the
You're
water.
going sideways.
Getting it
Come
back.
on,
Yeah,
buddy.
he's going sideways.
This way.
That's how they move
There you
down.
go, buddy. Oh, he's so cute. I love how it worked there on the bottom.
He's going now.
Yeah, their shells get real orange when they're flipped upside down on the beach.
I love how they walk. Do the crab walk, Day. There you go. Oh, Day's gonna do his own crab walk. I'm looking for sea glass in all of this small gravel that's washed up from the tide going down, and I'm having a lot of luck finding little white ones, but I haven't really found any blue ones. Oh, just on the camera view there, I can see there is a green one there, and I think there's a green one right there. So I'm gonna grab those ones, but right now I'm looking for blue. I'll take any color I can find, but the blue ones are the ones that I'm really after because I haven't found a blue one yet.
How much sea glass have you found, hon?
The boys are gonna bring it over, I think. I wanna see. I just found a couple more pieces of the green one. Oop. So now you can't see the colors as much, but so we have lots of white. We have 3 pieces of green and 5 pieces of brown. Good little find. I want to find some blue stuff.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for.
So that one's the most rare.
Looking for. Oh, I found another brown one. Oh, there's another little one. That was a tiny one. Did you see more?
Well, yeah, there's.
I think I found orange sea glass.
Yeah. Ooh, maybe. That looks like a lot.
It's hard to believe that today is actually an official day where we are going to be moving our new cottage project. If you've been following our channel, you know that a couple of weeks ago we purchased a second property in Nova Scotia. We didn't even dream that this project would happen so quickly, and something came on the market that we just couldn't hesitate to put in an offer. I knew that this was going to be a huge decision and that it was coming up a lot quicker than we had planned, but I thought if I didn't jump on this opportunity, then Philip and I wouldn't have this project to work on for our family in the way that we really wanted to do it, in the budget that we wanted to spend. And so that meant that this property was going to need some adjustments, like moving a building that had been dropped off on the property that was not in its permanent location. And so today we take the grand adventure to move our little blue sky cottage. Take a look and see it for yourself. It's lifting them right off the ground, Billy. I don't know. We can get her moving then. Oh yeah. Yeah. She's moving. This is so exciting. She's moving, boys. It's a typical weather day here in Nova Scotia. Well, we're moving Little Blue Sky Cottage on her first trip, well, which I think is actually her 4th trip move because she's moved from different properties before, but she's gonna go to her final spot here on our new property here, move across the acreage to where she's going to be relocated to be a short-term rental cottage.
These guys are doing everything they can to move Little Blue for us. They are kicking.
It is absolutely torrential downpour, so we're under a blanket I just bought for the dog that was in the trunk.
It's a perfect dog blanket.
I thought I'd get them a few extra fresh blankets, but now they came in handy, so I'm glad I forgot them in the trunk last night.
Yes. So fun. Comment below if you ever seen Housemate.
I don't know. We can get her moving then. Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is so exciting.
Right now we're deciding on how we're going to put the cinder blocks underneath the building and where we're actually going to put the cinder blocks. Yeah. Oh my
A little
god.
bit stressful. Let's not move buildings every day, but one time this is super fun.
Why would you want to move it in the rain, hon? Oh my god.
I like can't even stand up. My clothes is so
Are you
heavy.
crying? It's just the
Just
the
the
rain.
But they're doing an amazing job. This is like, it's incredible. So fun.
Yeah, these guys are killing it. Yeah, I love it.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it.
You gonna have a log burning party?
Yeah.
Burn all the logs? So I'm now sitting here reflecting on the day. We moved our cottage today in absolute torrential rain. The guys that came and helped us to move the building were absolutely out of this world phenomenal, and they were determined to not give up. It was a bit of a struggle to get her moved across that half acre, but once she was in spot, we knew that it was the perfect spot for her and that she was finally home. So for those of you who are not entirely sure what's going on, we purchased this cottage. It was actually just this little abandoned home that had been relocated across Nova Scotia to 4 or 5 different locations that we know of. And it was about time that someone finally gave her the love that she deserved. So if you want to check out on her channel, I'll put the card above for you. You can see the inside tour. She's basically an empty shell, which is what we wanted, was a blank canvas to be able to start from scratch, fix what needed to be done on the exterior, work on the property, and give this the life that it needs to be able to turn into a short-term cottage rental. And so in hopefully a year, maybe a year and a half, we'll have this project completed and we'll be able to rent it out to some of our YouTube family members, friends and family, and other people in the area that want to come and stay in beautiful Nova Scotia. This project will not be without its struggles, its challenges, and probably a few random things along the way. But just like always, we promise to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly of doing these renovations, and a lot about just the process along the way. So if you're new to our channel and you're interested in following along, be sure to hit subscribe. We just officially hit 150,000 YouTube family members. Can you even believe it? This has been the most amazing journey. And without the support of our amazing community that if you want to check out for yourself, just read our comment section, we just really wouldn't be where we are today. So we want to officially thank you so much for following our journey and really being part of our family, because you guys on the other end always help to rise us up. So I hope that from this video today, it will inspire you to get out and just plant a little seed on something that you hope will grow bigger one day, because that's exactly what we've done with this cottage. So I hope that my videos, if anything, put a smile on your face and inspire you to dream really big. I love you guys, and I will see you more this week. Love you. Bye.